Number 42, the cost of 6 pencils at a store is 30 cents. Which graph has a slope that best represents the cost of each pencil at this store? We're just going to look at talk through each one of these graphs. So let's start with A and B. The cost of 6 pencils at a store is 30 cents. So this has to be a proportional relationship because if you don't buy any pencils, it's going to be $0. So it's going to be 0, 0, and it's going to hit 0, 0. But let's talk about 6 pencils, and let's put our marking on our 6 pencils and see if it matches our 30 cents. So we put a line right here and right on our 6 and see, we're looking for intersection points on here. And then we're going to take 30 cents and draw another line across so we can kind of see. And you can see on A, our 30 and our 6 intersect on one of our points. So actually A does work. It matches our graph. And if you look at B, 30 cents and 6 do not match up on B, so B won't work on that one. And let's go to C and D. We're going to do the same thing. So we're going to mark our 6, and then we're going to mark our 30 and see if we get any intersections on there. We don't on C, it doesn't match up, and D won't work because remember, we said it's a proportional relationship. This line has to go through the origin since it's proportional. And you know, a number of pencils can't cost different amount of things. It's just kind of weird. So that one just doesn't work either. So really just looking at our graph and making sure it's a proportional relationship and matching up our X and Y vertices, we can figure out which graph has the slope that best represents the cost of each pencil at the store. A.